Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV tire pressure monitoring using TireMinder inside app. Quick tutorial step by step. Open the TireMinder app on your mobile device. Ensure your Bluetooth is enabled. Select your vehicle from the main screen. Tap on the Tire Pressure Monitor option. Check if the current tire pressure readings are displayed. If not, proceed to the next step. Access the settings menu within the app. Look for the Restore Tire Pressure Monitoring option. Select it to start the restoration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Wait while the app reconnects with the sensors. Check for any error messages during the process. Once restored, you should see updated tire pressure readings. If readings appear correctly, your restoration is complete. If issues persist, consult the troubleshooting section within the app. Ensure your tire sensors are properly installed and functioning. Restart your device if needed for a fresh connection. Confirm that all tires are properly inflated to the recommended pressure. You are now equipped to manage your EV's tire pressure monitoring effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.